You got an old school ride with old beat up seats like this? Well, you don't need to reupholster them. Today, I'm going to show you how to install custom fit seat covers, step by step. All right, first we're just going to slide it on into place. Okay, right now I'm just coming around back, just pulling into position. Make sure everything's lined up perfect before I strap it in. Okay, now I got it exactly where I want it. I can go ahead and lock in the straps. Okay, right here, I'm going to take all the bungees. Then I'm going to push them through and get them to the bottom of the seat. After I get them to the bottom of the seat, I'm going to take all the bungees and I'm going to tie them together. Okay, now it's time for the lean back. You're going to undo the zipper and then go ahead and slide it on. So you need to get it in position and pull it down real tight and make sure it's locked in. After that, you're going to take the flap and then push it to the back. Right here, I'm just smoothing out any wrinkles. That blue strip was just on there to protect the Velcro. Okay, here's one of the most important parts. I'm smoothing it out in the front and pulling the back flap real tight. Pretty much the tighter you pull it, the less baggy it'll be in the middle. If you can pull it real tight, it can almost lock in and look like new upholstered seats. Of course, with a upholstered seat, you would have to hard ring them down. That's why the tighter you pull, the more the covers will hug the curves of the seats and almost give it a factory look. The last thing you do is take the bungee from the back flap and just hook it on the bottom somewhere. I know you're enjoying this install video, but I want to take a quick 30-second commercial break before we get into the rear seats. The seat covers you're seeing in this video are from Exclusive Covers USA. We offer custom fit seat covers for many classic cars, modern vehicles, imports, and luxury cars. You can choose from multiple materials like leatherette, suede, and cloth, along with different colors and stitching styles like diamond stitching and hexagon stitching. We also offer LED piping seat covers and even starlight insert seat covers for a next level interior upgrade. Our seat covers also work with heated and cooled seats, so you still keep all your factory features. If you want to upgrade your interior like this, check out the link in the description to see the different options available. Now let's get back to the install, and I'll show you how to do the rear seats. Okay, now we're going to do the back. So of course, you take the bottom out the car, you just release it, lift it up. That's how you remove the bottom. And then lean back. You see I got these in the car. When it's in the vehicle, it had these star bolts on both sides. They'd be about a T50. You take those out, then lean back, lift up. So the bottom of the rear is going to be very simple. Pretty much put the covers on, get it into place how you want it. Then we're going to flip it over and lock in the straps. And with the lean back, we're going to do exactly the same way. There's only one extra step on the lean back you have to do. You have to take the two bungees, pull them out as tight as you can, and tie them together. If you're looking for seat covers for your old school or your daily driver, drop your year, make, and model in the comments, and we'll let you know if we can make a set for your vehicle. And if you want to see us install seat covers on another vehicle, click the video that's on your screen right now. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you get notified, because we'll be dropping more seat cover installs, seat install videos, DIY upholstery tutorials, and interior upgrade videos right here on the channel.